today's Saturday. Today is a good day because today is the first day we've had back to normal weather. We've had a calima which normally brings hot wind and sand, but in this instance it brought sand still, but it brought cold wind and rain and yeah, strong winds, which wasn't very nice. Anyway, this morning I've just had a quick appointment at the hospital. I'm sure you really wanted to know that, but I've had to have a blood test because oddly enough I had gout last week, which I always thought was an old man's thing, but anyway, well, perhaps I'm an old man. I know you're all laughing. I'm right in the park. There's a park here, children's park, and they walk the dogs and things like that here in Roca del Conde. And Roca del Conde is just up here behind, well, in front of me there, now behind me. It's got a really nice view down to, across Roca del Conde, down out towards the sea and La Gomera there. And it's really nice and quiet up here. Well, it was when I first started. There's a few cars running around now and a helicopter coming over as well. But I think it's only probably just a tourist sort of helicopter. But just wanted to sort of quickly just say that the calima's over, thankfully, and we're all back to normal, and we're all back to normal. That's that. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye for now.